price ka, pero ang source mo na ganipis, ang imo embedded power supply will supplement, and coming from a renewable energy source, definitely hindi man matamaan ang aton na consumer. And sakto in the law from the Department of Energy. Yes, ma'am. So, wala na? Nyaga na ta?
Sana
Isa. Money, yes.
the Renewable Portfolio Standard, RPS, referring to the Renewable Energy Act, ang Renewable Energy Act requires the RPS and it requires the mixed supply ng kaya ko, distributor. Ay,
Hindi ko na siguro. Hindi ko nakakuha kasabat. Sinakay daw medyo highly technical. Pwede siguro ang Department of Energy ang kasabat.
Kasimple lang. Bali, ang ILECO, pina-require subong sang law to have that mix.
Yes. That's why
That's why naman kung sila sang percentage renewable energy source.
Yes.
Now, the way I get it from the discussion, subong, bali, wala sing joint coordination bala. Like for example, ang inambal mo nga, hindi mo man ma-require, hindi mo man ma-demand sa LGU, ni endorse yan ang energy project or renewable energy project. So, ang buwan niya, ang monitor sa electric cooperative, ang NEA, no? National Electric Administration, National Energy Administration. So, ang buwan niya, who will, I mean, on the part of the local level, o sa probinsya ng Iloilo, kaya ikaw I just don't know if you can I don't know how you can check this out.
Well, thank you. Now nahangpan ko ng imong mga votes din yun. In the parts of the sa probinsya, sa Sanggunian, pwede na sa mga committee hearing related karon. We are respectfully reminding them. Actually, mga friends naman ng mga GM, sang mga electric cooperatives, in fact, one of them sa Eleco to ihado ko. Ihado sa anong kamo di mapapatintog sang inyong embedded power plant or di kamo kakuha sang renewable energy nga source. No? So, ideally, they should follow. Kaya mo nang lahi. And sa amon sa Sangguniang Lalawigan, ang amon niya mahimo is to gently remind them, urge them to comply. Pero kung wala sila ka-comply, I think ERC and the Department of Energy will have sanctions on them. Because most likely, maybe we can hear from Ms. Arsiaga.
Okay, balik ko na